Everyone, in this video we will see how to use the for loop in bash scripting. So for loop is really useful when you want to do the same task again and again. So uh, for loop can do it for you as many times as you want. So we will see how you can execute the for loop in Linux, basic syntaxing of it. So right now we are using this terminal. So if you type this for and say I, so I is a variable name. So for I in say 1 2 3 4, and then type 2 and then type echo simply will print whatever you gave it inside this echo command. So if I type echo $I, so it will print uh, I every time this loop runs. And if I type done and enter, then this loop will start running. So if I type done, enter, and you can see this all these 4 values of I has been printed, right? What if I want to increase this number of variables, say 5, 6, 7, 8, enter. You can see these 1 to 8 has been printed. But what if I want to print up to 1000? So I should not just keep typing up to 1000. There should be some elegant way to do that, right? So instead of doing that, you can type it like this way: 1 dot dot 100, and this curly bracket ends. Enter, and you can see that's 1 to 100 is simply printed. It's very easy. And there is some other way also, like here you can do up to 1000. It's very easy to print it. But what if I want to print with an increment of 2, not 1, which is in this case? So for doing that, you use other form. You can use this quotes, and then you can use seq command, and you can type 0 say to 20 with or 200 with this increment of 2, and you type enter, and you can see that it's typing from 0 to 200 with an increment of 2. It's great, right? uh, what if you have some variable? For defining a variable in Linux, you can just type start equal to and any variable name. So let's say my starting value is 1, so that's all. So my variable start has been defined. You can test it by simply type echo $start. So you can see that there is a variable called $start whose value is 1. So we can define another variable end equal to, and say put some value, let's say 400, and enter. You can check its value also, and it's 400. Great. So for using these values in a for loop, if you try to use the same way and try to put its value here, start and end, enter. So you can use it in this way also. And there is another way to use these variables. That way is for, and then double braces, and then put the variable name. Let's say we put it I equal to, and we want to start it with the start value, and then we gave some termination criteria, means it should keep running until it reaches the end, and the C value should keep increasing each time by 1, and then do, and then we can type echo $I, and then done. You can see it's printing I. Okay, so we have taken I here and we have changed it to C here. Let's put it I here, and you can see it's increasing 1 by 1. Instead of that, if you don't want to increase it 1 by 1, you can do I equal to I into 2. So see, it's increasing up to this end value, and with our end value is 400. So 256 into 2 will be more than 400, so it didn't print after that. So you can do many more things in the for loop. Okay, thanks for watching. We will see other things in the next video. Thank you.